The leading aesthetic practitioners agree the Hydrafacial MD award-winning technology advances non-ablative, non-laser skin rejuvenation like no other. In published clinical studies by leading US doctors, Hydrafacial MD was shown to yield better results than IPL and other common skin treatments for facial rejuvenation, improving the tone and texture of the skin. Proven efficacies are achieved through Hydrafacial MD's patented 4-in-1 Vortex technology system. 4-in-1 Vortex technology system employs Vortex cleansing, Hydropeel exfoliation, Vortex extraction and Vortex fusion, all in a single treatment. The Hydrafacial MD procedure is proven effective for all skin types and addresses a multitude of skin concerns. The treatment delivers instant, lasting results with no downtime or discomfort for clients. The Hydrafacial MD Hydropeel Tip's unique spiral design and powerful hermetic suction provides unparalleled non-invasive skin resurfacing and temporary pore opening to effectively cleanse, exfoliate and extract impurities evenly without damaging the skin, while simultaneously delivering proprietary serums to the skin. The first step in the Hydrafacial MD treatment, Vortex cleansing and Hydropeel exfoliation, gently cleanses the skin and effectively exfoliates the stratum corneum layer, removing dead skin cells and sebum. This allows the skin to reflect more light and appear brighter and healthier. The second step uses a non-irritating, effective mix of both salicylic and glycolic acids to help loosen deep pore debris and dirt. This may prevent the formation of the pustules involved in acne. The third step uses painless vortex extraction, providing strong vacuum suction to automatically remove blackheads and other impurities. The fourth step in the Hydrafacial MD procedure applies Vortex Fusion, delivering a pro-antioxidant formula with potent peptides and hyaluronic acid into the skin. This step provides detoxification, rejuvenation, and restoration for healthy skin structure and function. Using the most advanced non-ablative, non-laser skin rejuvenation system on the market today, the Hydrafacial MD with Vortex technology thoroughly cares for your client's skin to provide effective, long-lasting results with no downtime or discomfort.